Hi there. In this video I will show you how to make simple text effect on this type of font. So let's start. I will use a copy. I will give it 8 point in the outline. Use the same color for the fill and the outline. Now we will use the block shadow and apply it like this. That's good. Now let's give the block another color. It's darker than the first one. Now use another copy. Make sure it's in the center. Okay. I will give it a darker color because we need to use or make something look like 3D effect. Use another copy from this one. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Give it the lighter color and just slide it like this. And we already start seeing the 3D effect. Now we need to apply the light and the highlight. The simple way to use or to apply the light, I will use simple line like this, curve, I like to use it always curvy like this. That's cool. Now use the smart fill and start creating these objects. Select everything without outline and I will give it light color like this, and I will apply the transparency. Like this. Okay, now we need to use the highlights, and the simple way and the easy way, it's like this. Copy, give this copy white color, do another copy from this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, with another color, and just slide the second copy till you be okay with the highlights that you like. This is good. Now select both object and back minus front, and now you apply the highlights. The last thing, I need to use a shadow. You can drop normal shadow, but I will use another way to use the shadow. I will select the block shadow, brick block like this. Now I need to make another copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, black, and send it to the back and slide it like this. Since the highlights it's from here, we need to drop shadow from here. Okay, convert this object to a bitmap. Okay, now we will apply the Gaussian blue. Good. Now we need to use the transparency again. Sorry. this. That's good. And now you have this effect.